Asian Wire Forming and Spring Private Limited is the manufacturer of spring stamping parts for automotive industry. We are one of the key suppliers of SMR Automotive, and our focus is always on quality and zero defect, as emphasized by our customer. When we analyzed our internal rejection, we found that 56% rejections were due to manpower, skill and training. Therefore, with guidance of SMR team, we decided to set up one mini dojo center at Asian Wire Forming and Springs. An experienced cross-functional team was formed to framework the mini dojo model. The SMR team arranged a benchmark visit of the CFT at the SMR Skill Development Center. We faced many challenges at the beginning. First was the space. We didn't have enough area in existing plant to set up the dojo center. Our CFT overcome to manage this challenge by making some changes in the plant layout. With this, we can create enough space of 176 square feet for a mini dojo center. The second challenge was arranging the finance. We estimated that a cost of rupees 52,000 would be needed to build this mini dojo center. After 2 months of infrastructure development, resource management and deliberation, the Skill Development Center finally became a reality. This dojo center has been divided into 8 sections. Out of these 8 sections, company overview, production rules, maintenance, dojo will be explained through TV screen. Now we will discuss 8 sections in detail. First is the company overview. Training at mini dojo starts with company introduction, which covers company vision, mission, policies, customer and plant location. Next is the safety dojo. Safety is always our first priority. Therefore, trainees are introduced to features such as PPEs, their uses on shop floor, type of fire and application of fire extinguishers. Safety do's and don'ts. Emergency evacuation plan. Third one is the 5 senses dojo. In these sections, trainees are given knowledge about 5 human senses and its relation with shop floor activities. Different activities conducted which are designed to sharpen the senses of the human body, like segregation of burr and without burr parts, similar looking springs, type of springs, etc. Fourth section is product dojo. In this section, trainees are introduced to different type of products, their child part, raw material used and their actual application in the finished part. Next section is production rules. In this, trainees are trained through virtual learning on shop floor rules covering pour and change management, abnormality handling with reaction plan, tag and bin identification, and actual practice on different types of production check sheets. Sixth section is process dojo. In this process flow, work instructions, press and coiling machines, elements, and their working procedure is demonstrated through virtual learning. Apart from this, hands-on training given to operator for the shop floor manual CTU process like chamfering and press dice working explained through proto model. The next step is quality dojo. This section showcases the defect gallery where defective parts are kept and the reason of these defects are explained. If you want to improve, you should know how to measure. Based on this ideology, measuring instrument training is given to trainees. This also includes PDI inspection techniques, dojo. In this, trainees are given knowledge on click systems, basic maintenance tool, maintenance procedures, and check sheets used on shop floor.
Hello friends, as the concept of mini dojo center is driving at all MSIL tier 2s, with respect to that, a lot of benchmarking visit was done in our mini dojo center both by tier 1 and tier 2s. So during this benchmark visits, there are some frequently asked questions about this mini dojo center, which here I would briefly like to address some of the answers to these key questions. So again, being a small company, we have a resource content. So we spent approx 52,000 rupees on this dojo center, and basically we spend maximum on the boards and racks. We use some extra space available in our quality lab and transformed it into a virtual shop floors. To manage the space, again we used AV technologies for different kind of process which we use in our factory, and we also demonstrate that check sheet on the televisions. To further reduce the cost, we can use the obsolete dies which is available in our plants. We used unused machines, and beside this, the defective parts or red bin parts we can use in this mini dojo center for the training purpose. So basically it took approx 45 days to complete this dojo center, and internally we identify one internal trainer having experience of 10 years who's looking after this dojo center along with the quality functions. It's already been 11 months ago we started this Dojo Center, and you can see there are immense advantages in this Dojo Center in terms of product quality, rejection reductions, employee motivations. Mini Dojo also benefited us during COVID times. As you know, the manpower change was more, and Mini Dojo helped getting them trained at required skill levels. So I would ask everyone to set up this Mini Dojo Center and make it a thumb rule that no manpower should go on the shop floor without any dojo training. Thank you.